In this video, we're going to cover the installation of the heavy-duty Iron Rock Auto front pinion yoke and U-bolt kit. This video is being put out in correction to a previous video that I had about drilling out your front pinion yoke on your Dana 30 to accept U-bolts. While it did hold for my application, it wasn't the right way to do it, so we're going to cover that in this video. Don't let anybody ever tell you filming under a Jeep is easy. So we're going to start off by undoing my mistake here and backing off the U-bolts and basically disconnecting the front part of the drive shaft that hooks up to the Dana 30 axle. Alright, now that the sun is going down, the mosquitoes are starting to come up. Let's speed this up a little bit. So I'm going to take my impact, about 29 millimeter, and give it hell. And I might need to tap this off so we can get a hammer. Oh, good, because I didn't want to take out the big one. Alright. There we go. Yahtzee. Slightly wider race here. We'll have to see if that impacts the install at all. Roughly same size. So we'll see what happens. Do my gloves. Give myself a little bit of slippery stuff, so I don't tear the seal. There we go. Let's see. First washer. Now you're really supposed to get a brand new one of these pinion nuts, but this is my temporary axle. I'm really just trying to get through the season with this. So I'm going to snug this up a little bit with the impact, and then I'll come back and try to torque it the best I can. If I can't get a good torque on it, what I'm going to do is just impact the living snot out of it. I believe the torque spec on the pinion nut is 235, so I'm going to do my damn best to try to get this thing up there. You know it's bad when you have to go to your spare. Hopefully this works. trick. If you can get it in there, I got a pipe wrench holding the pinion, and I got this up to 235, and I was able to, luckily my bar was strong enough or long enough where I could leverage through the wheel well. Alright, so now the new yoke is torqued down to spec. We'll go ahead, put the yoke back in place, and install the U joint. I'm going to install the U bolts. Okay. Way nicer than the setup I had before. Get some lock washer and a nut. That was just a quick install video on how to put an iron rock heavy duty Dana 30 U-bolt yoke onto the front axle. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. And just like any other video, please like, share, and subscribe.